If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
I used to just walk, and now I just stand in one spot, and I let people come up to me because you are a lot more engaging when you're not walking, like when you're just static. And I wear this ridiculous stuff to be as approachable. I mean this, like, you know, it's to be approachable, it's to be more accommodating. You know, I got and every single outfit that I have is ridiculous. I have a ridiculous wig or, you know, some kind of, you know, accessory to just be just approachable. Everyone's covered up and everyone's just afraid of each other. And I'm trying to show people that there's no reason to be afraid of your fellow humans. And like, I've been doing this since it all started.
So what made you want to start just giving hugs like that?
Well, no. I mean, I know how impactful it is, the fact that we are all being disconnected. So that's why I started something. But now it's like when I hear somebody tell me I needed this.
I see people like telling little stories.
And they're telling me like I need this. You know, my dad this, my daughter that. And the first time that happened to me, I said, okay, this is what I do now because it's the most spiritually rewarding thing that I can do. And I don't, you know, out here everyone thinks that everyone is out to get somebody. You know, everyone's trying to gain something. Everyone's trying to capitalize. And most people walk by me. You know, you'll see the vast majority walk by because they think that I want something.
It's a gimmick. They think it's a gimmick.
Yes. And
But I see when people hug you, it's like it's wrong. There's a connection.
It just flows out of my pores. And I feel like I'm doing the best thing I can do with my time, spreading love, because I just have so much to give. And I think I am an anomaly in this, and no one else is willing to do this. No one else is willing to put their body out there, their vessel, to show that you should be afraid of people. So I just stand there. I just stand there, and whoever's willing to come, whoever wants it, is here. And most people don't. Even before all this, madness, most people aren't willing to just walk up to a stranger and embrace them. It's just not in American nature. You know, we're taught that this person's trying to get something from you, or this person's dirty, or whatnot. Stay with your family, stay in your bubble, and try to get back to human nature of love and connection, because we're all losing. There's no fear here. And a lot of people, you know, they walk by and they're like, you know, I would, but it's, you know, there's a pandemic, and I'm just like, hey, I've hugged 2,000 people this weekend, at least, and I'm alive, and I'm well, and you don't have to be afraid. And I appreciate everybody who comes up here and shows me love, and I appreciate these interactions.
Like deep hugs, they're meaningful. They're not just like, hey, what's up? And move on.
Some people do. They try to.
Yeah.
And I hope.
Yeah.
And I feel them melt.
Yeah.
You know, because they're not used to that. Most people, maybe a lot of people haven't touched another human being that way. You know, who knows how long? A lot of people don't have anyone else. And I can feel it when I grab them. You know, when I hold them, and I can feel their energy. I can feel them just melt in my arms. And I hold them until they're ready to let go. And if not, we'll just stand there.
Yeah. That's awesome. It's great. It's a great thing that you do.
I appreciate it.
I think it's much needed.
And these interactions